Welcome back to Product Critique. Today, we're taking a close look at what might be the best grooming brush for shedding dogs. The MIU Color Pet Grooming Brush. A deshedding tool designed for both dogs and cats with short, medium, or long hair. Whether your pet is a seasonal shedder or constantly leaving behind hair on furniture and clothes, this tool promises to reduce shedding by up to 95%. So, let's dive in. First, let's talk design. The MIU Color Grooming Brush has a sleek and practical look. It comes in an eye-catching blue color, shaped oblong to fit comfortably in your hand. The handle is made of durable plastic with a silicone grip that helps prevent slipping, even during longer grooming sessions. It feels solid and ergonomic, something you'll appreciate if you have a particularly fidgety pet. At the core of its functionality is a 4-inch stainless steel comb. The steel teeth are evenly spaced, allowing them to reach deep into your pet's undercoat without causing irritation or discomfort. This design not only removes loose fur but also stimulates the skin and promotes healthy blood circulation. That's a win-win. Less hair floating around your home and a healthier coat for your furry friend. One of the features that makes this brush truly stand out is the detachable comb head. It's easy to remove and reattach, which makes cleaning and maintenance incredibly simple. And when you're not using it, there's even a safety blade cover to protect the comb and extend its lifespan. These are the kind of thoughtful design touches that make a product feel premium without the premium price tag. Portability is another strong point. The brush is compact enough to be stored in a drawer or taken along when traveling with your pet. So whether you're at home, in the car, or staying at a friend's place, you can keep your pet well groomed and your surroundings hair-free. Now, in terms of performance, the MIU Color Brush works effectively across different coat lengths. It's designed for short, medium, and long hair types, so you won't need to worry about whether it's right for your golden retriever or your domestic short-hair cat. It handles thick undercoats with ease and significantly cuts down the amount of fur shed on carpets, clothes, and car seats. The manufacturer emphasizes the use of safe materials, which is important. Pets have sensitive skin, and the brush's construction reflects a careful balance between effective grooming and safety. The bristles don't scratch or irritate, and the whole product feels built to last. Another bonus is how comfortable the grooming process becomes for the pet. This isn't just a fur remover. It's designed to provide a gentle massage while you brush, making grooming time more enjoyable for both of you. It's especially helpful for pets who are a little anxious about grooming. With consistent use, they may even start to look forward to it. The MIU Color team, based out of San Jose, California, has been around since 2009, and their mission is focused on strengthening the bond between people and pets. Their branding and product philosophy are all about harmonious living, and you can see that reflected in the brush's user-centric design. If you have a dog or cat that sheds, even a little, this tool is for you. It's cost-effective, reliable, and easy to use. Whether you're a first-time pet owner or a seasoned pro with multiple furry friends, this brush is going to make your life easier. To wrap up, the MIU Color Pet Grooming Brush is a standout grooming tool that does exactly what it promises. It reduces shedding dramatically, it's easy to clean, and it's safe and comfortable for your pet. If you're tired of battling hair on every surface of your home, this just might be your new best friend. Thanks for watching Product Critique. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a review. Until next time, keep your pets happy and your home hair-free.